Part two. Here we are. Look at that. Beautiful. See how I wired the fig tree? I picked the right size wire cutting and I wired it all the way around, as you can see, and I took my time and I bent the fig tree over to make it grow horizontal, so it'll go out that way, and then as new shoots pop up, I'll retrain it again. This is how you train a bonsai tree to grow the way you want it to grow, with wire. And you bend the wire around the trunk and you take your time and you bend it. Does not damage the tree, and the tree will grow the way you want it to grow. So this will go back out on the stand behind me and it'll grow. I trimmed about 4 leaves off. Looking good. Sunset. Starting to set. Beautiful Saturday.